In this video, I will show you how to create your Instagram avatar. Now, the first thing is to go to settings, then account, and start making your avatar. And as you can see, you need first to choose a skin tone for your avatar. The next thing is to choose your hairstyle and the hair color, then your face shape and width and outfit, and your avatar will be ready. But if you want to personalize your avatar further, then you can go on to choose other face features like jawline, face lines, facial hair and color, and face markings including bint. And with your eyes, you can choose their shape and color, eyebrows and color, and eye makeup, and also eyewear and color. And concerning your nose, you can choose its shape and size, and also the nose piercings. And after that, you can choose your mouth shape and fullness and lip color. You can also personalize your ears by choosing ear piercings and earring devices and the color. In addition, you can choose your headwear and the color and go on to choose your body shape before editing your outfit. And after all these, you can save your avatar and use it on your Instagram profile and also on your Facebook and Messenger profiles. And you can also access your avatar stickers and also share them. And if you don't like your avatar, you can always edit it or even delete it. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.